So,
Can I say something, please?
so I will have to talk to Star about this.
She's
not gonna be on today, but I will try to, yes, what?
So when I was talking, I was telling people to be quiet so we could hear culture. And everybody was talking, so I was just trying to tell them to be quiet so I could hear culture. Because I couldn't hear him.
So what was prosecution doing this whole entire time?
Literally.
Prosecution was waiting to start court, dog.
Patiently.
Yeah, we've been waiting. I've just been waiting to start court. And everybody's been
I appreciate that.
talking. I can't get this case. I can't get this court under control. I just.
Well, then that's your problem. If you can't get the court case, like, if you can't, like, situate the court case, if you can't situate the jury, you just... Yeah, that's
I'll
the
let you add
jury's,
something to
that's
that.
not the jury's. The judge's fault if they can't get the court under control.
If you try and tell everybody to be quiet to listen to me, I'm sorry, go ahead. Don't say if you're done. You're done? Okay. If you try and tell everybody to stop talking so then you can listen to me, why would you still continue the court case by telling the prosecution to go in the evidence room? You talk about the opening statement. We're not trying to get a client.
Another cool kid here. I gave him that avatar.
That wasn't during when you
That avatar doesn't have all the troll stuff like this one does.
I'm sorry, I've ADHD and anxiety.
Wait,
Alright.
Kimberly, I'm talking to you.
You may go ahead.
Alright, so,
Talking
you know,
to one of your
111
kind.
did give, you know, I'm not playing 111, you're a really good guy. He did give Culture a warning, but it is not his fault since, you know, he was just kinda, hearing that Culture was doing, you know, he's interrupting court and being disrespectful. When Culture wasn't, so there's really no bad guy in either of them. And then Nicholas, me and Rain, which is not a moderator, but he's really good actually. He's actually really professional.
Let me set up my pike.
We talked to Nicholas. Pretty much really to wrap this up. We talked to Nicholas.
This
he
guy,
is
am
gonna
I
work on
right?
it. He also does not have kicking powers. Actually that sounds kinda corny to say. He cannot kick, which obviously I'm not saying he should like, you know, abuse that or anything like that.
So, Peo, can you kick? You can kick, right? Okay. So here's how it goes. So whoever has actual admin controls and also is able to kick should be the judge. The other admins sit in the bailiff and other seat. I'm not pronouncing that because I'm gonna butcher it. You're fine.
They weren't here
Oh,
when
my
he
started
it.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I can't.
I barely stenographer too. Yeah, I think it's
But am I
they're wrong.
So I'm
there?
People say it. It's spelled the same.
So
It's spelled the same.
Some rating, because that was just
hold on.
completely awful.
Whoa, we're getting.
Hold on.
We're getting too much up there right now, Culture.
Okay, alright, hold on. Everybody shut up. So we're gonna redo the whole entire court case. We're gonna start off, everything. We're gonna restart. And now that I'm actually here, I can understand what's going on. Okay?
Yeah.
So...
Okay, so let's redo this. I have a request. Can I please have Mr. Winter as my client for the 600th time?
Yes, you may.
Everybody back away. Back away.
Everybody
Back away from the thing except for Winter.
Back away.
I'm about to be the most foulest
I want to come out here because I did have to tell you earlier, please be respectful. Please be respectful. I did have to tell you that earlier.
Oh yeah, and did you not say did you not state the stuff? If you're the judge, you have to state this.
He did.
I did say it.
Oh no, Mr. P stated that.
You also have to state, no throwing the books,
I love respect and all that.
Yeah, Nicholas stated that, but
no pedo cases, no none of that stuff. No basing off of avatars.
Yeah. Can I restate it since, you know, Winter's gonna be joining and probably nobody heard it.
Alright, I need everybody to, sit down.
Yeah,
Me too.
Everybody sit down.
Yeah, you're good.
Do you need to be judged? Do you want?
No, I'm not gonna be judged.
You can stay judge.
Okay, yeah.
Just for the future.
My
I will
skybox.
restate the rules because probably nobody heard. If you do have something to say, please say it after I am done. Alright, so I'll start off with the group rules. No pedo cases, no SA cases, do not be disrespectful. Age requirement is 13 plus. Warnings is 2 max. Spamming emojis.
My fault.
Anyways. Alright, no spamming emojis, no saying slurs. Being taller than the cage, being smaller than the fence, no throwing or hitting the books. Do not grab items from the journey. Is anything funny?
I'm sorry.
Is anything funny right now? Is this funny right now? Anyways, it's a joke. Anyways,
my fucking stomach acid.
Do not grab items from the jury aisle doing inappropriate things with avatars or nothing. No avatar tongles that or blind others. No
out of pocket.
Inappropriate sounds or motions. You will be kicked if cussing people out. Yep.
My purpose for being an asshole today is because they deserve it. Yesterday I was in here, and they decided to start.
Alright, Nicholas, real quick, let Winter in. If back up from the gate, except for Winter.
Okay.
Is that the bee?
Back up.
Who's darker? Okay.
Bro,
back up. You will be kicked. Again, you will be kicked.
Can you
Winter.
If you
hop
come
off
in.
my schlong, please? There we go.
Winter.
Hey,
You will be let in if you wait patiently.
Yo, Culture!
So
You will.
for our
Culture, you're my lawyer.
Right.
No, we do not do.
No, we do not do
anything.
Sorry.
So how are we supposed to like
What'd
pretend?
you say about
We do witness testimony.
Witness testimony.
We do witness testimony.
Okay, so
There's no
we need to,
video.
like,
There's no video evidence. There's no.
so we need to like designate one, you know.
These motherfuckers
So
are-
basically,
so
let's say you're doing a
important.
murder case, right? Let's say you're doing a murder case, and you basically don't know how to prove it. Basically, you can just get the knife, get forensic reports proving that his, like, let's say,
lag
person, in
people.
the cage touched the knife, basically that, or, you know, maybe Rain could explain more.
I will be right back.
What's up?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
I said maybe you could explain about, like, you know, how to,
Winter.
like, you know, like,
so
okay, say your
forensic
case or
evidence?
whatever.
The flow of the court, but
Yeah, you know what, never mind.
kinda
Alright, so,
stupid.
I have a question about one of the rules.
Yes.
I think I got it now. I appreciate your.
What is a essay case?
Thank you.
Sexual assault.
Sexual assault.
Yeah, so no,
Yeah.
like, stuff like that. It's just, yeah. I think
Cool
it's
beans.
fine, though. We can start
Team
this
Cool
now.
Kid.
See, Mr. Winter, I told you I wouldn't stop fighting till I got you in here.
Yo, that's why you're
I'm
my
a pretty good
lawyer.
defense for that.
You're my number one,
Before
baby.
we start, could I actually get an invite to the Discord server? I don't have my Discord link to my headset.
Hey, listen, I'm a man of my word. I told him I was gonna fight for him, and I fought for him.
Yeah.
Look what that got me. I got him in
I
here.
asked her to be a link mod. Because I don't have Discord.
Me and Winter go way back.
But yeah.
Way back.
One of these
I need
days,
the
dog.
thing too. You're not alone. I need the thing.
One of them.
I
One
forgot
of
what
these
the
days,
fuck
dog.
this
Alright.
was.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start the court. And
Yo.
I'm gonna read the rules of the court. So.
I know.
Alright, we're about to
The
start.
rules of the court is okay. Starting court.
Is he?
Rules are there's no video, audio, or picture evidence. It's called witness testimony. Convicts can be a witness to their own crime. There's no Fifth Amendment. Keep the total evidence per case to a minimum of 6 to reduce court case times.
Wait.
Let the court begin.
Yo, man, I need my
Okay.
Sigma dude to come
Would you like to go think of your opening statement? Or do you already have it?
What do you think? Do you want to take a minute?
Okay.
Yeah, let's
Wait.
take a minute.
It's 1 or 2
Alright, go
minutes.
Oh, so I'll be back.
Got it.
To do something. If I come back and, you know, people are like disobeying and I kind of need a kick, I will.
Alright, guess I can
do that,
talk to
but
my
I'll
client
be
then.
back.
Winter, you still there?
Yeah, still here.
In the meantime, I'd like to say
Yeah, okay. Listen, Winter.
that
I'm gonna get you out of here, alright?
Alright.
Let's using the power,
have a tournament coming up in the next few days.
law,
We usually
and confidence.
end at like
And a massive ego of not losing.
Yes, sir.
a 9.
With those 4,
yeah,
I can't,
BSD,
4
something like
factors,
that.
we can win this case, alright?
Oh,
Also,
I 100%.
Now, I know we don't know what the case is,
stars getting
but
online.
plead guilty to it,
Do
don't
tell
plead
me
insane,
if you don't
or not guilty.
Or tell me
Not
now.
guilty.
if you
I
will,
ain't guilty
because
of
I do
shit.
need to speak to them.
Or
Mainly about
you
moderation, not about
hear the
good
case,
moderation being read,
which is
but
probably a
also,
smarter idea.
Tips to
Yeah,
help
yeah.
with
Well,
picking out
It,
some.
it depends on what I did
It's very
because I
important
don't even know
to
what I
get the right
did.
people in here. Not
but-
saying
You're quiet.
calling out anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because I don't have.
Alright, so,
Alright, listen. I don't know what I did, but whatever I did,
Wait, so which moderator
horrible.
this?
So
Gotcha.
listen.
I'm pretty sure it was 111.
I'll put my whole career on the line.
Your whole
So next time, just make sure everything's under control when you're starting one. Also, you have to ask Star.
Because, listen, you saw how I fought the moderator to get you in here? That's how I'm gonna fight to get you out of here. I want you in here, I fought for you to get in here, and now I'm gonna fight for you to get out of here.
Alright, bet.
Yeah, because you don't have to.
Kinda ironic, ain't it?
I ain't paying you
Yeah,
for
But don't worry.
okay.
I'm good at I do.
Good God, guys, come on.
You're in good set of hands.
Good God, people.
These hands. If not, I just take you to VR boxing. Guess who's gonna win that boxing match?
Also, fam, real quick, I do have access to the Discord server.
That's all.
Law firm, correct?
What?
Sadly, I do not.
I'm sorry, one more time?
Looked up.
Chill out, bro.
No, I do not.
I didn't do nothing.
Sadly, I was
You're gonna
trying
take the VRC.
Why does no one have Discord?
Yeah.
If
that's
you
why I
want-
don't.
I was being serious.
I
I was
really
being
don't
sarcastic.
recommend creating
What is your total
one
punch
without
count
like
in VRC?
Rainy
What is
or
my what?
Star online.
Oh my God,
Total
for
punch
still
count
doing
in
So,
VRC?
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
Are you
I
on that earlier?
played it the other day. Like I get on it time to time.
I
You
was
play
just
VRC?
asking,
Yeah,
Defense,
mine's
I'm gonna
already
need
over
you to be quiet a
5,000.
little bit or take it and
Wow, you
the
little
evidence.
sweatball.
Also, one
Is it from all that Jujutsu Kaisen?
I'm assuming that when
Fighting demons and all that?
tried to
Yeah.
make a Discord account before and it simply didn't
I
work.
assume so.
Yeah.
He's just pretty strong, so it's gonna
I
beat him.
physically can't
Get at least
do it.
honor him by
I've
being
tried.
strong.
I've tried
Me
multiple
too.
times.
If not, have the skill to fight.
There are a couple of things that you could do. I wouldn't recommend giving people out phone numbers, but that is an option. But there are
I love how we have 3 gauges in the
I'm
courtroom.
gonna
do limit
occasionally
it
put up
to
my.
where
No, I feel super safe.
information that you can use for those, such as Instagram, that should allow you
Yo.
to communicate with people of the same age as you, or similar age.
Winter, what am I looking at, dog?
Keep that in mind.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. So, we can.
No, it's too late. I saw it.
Shut up.
Okay, would you like to come up and make your
That
opening
is all I
statement?
currently have.
Can I turn that down, please?
Stuff for
Yes,
this in case
Your
it's
Honor.
needed. Or another interview.
Okay, Kai,
So, be like,
make your opening statement.
probably be on at
I
around.
thought, bro.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll talk about it later.
I need to take a quick.
Your Honor,
So,
citizens of the court, the state, the prosecutors are charging the defendant, Mr. Winter,
Cool kid.
with burglary, trespassing, and murder of the first degree.
All right, I believe
We
that.
have prepared a few pieces of evidence to share with you after the defense's opening statement, of course, if it pleases the court. I yield the rest of my time to the defense. I hope you make a very nice decision. Thank you.
Okay.
That's a pretty strong opening statement, can't lie, Winter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There we go, a
Can you
bunch of
say
points.
something? Can you say something back?
each of them.
Okay, would you like to come up, Culture?
Can I repeat that?
Would you like?
Would
to
you
come
like to do your opening statement
Yeah.
or
would
withhold
like to do.
until more evidence is provided?
I think it would be more better for everybody's acknowledging for them to present evidence and not withhold. Or for me to have a better understanding of the case.
Would you like to go?
Bring in the first piece of evidence, the red one.
Would you like to go at the same time as them, Culture, or after?
Would I like to what?
Yeah, I
Would you
usually
like to?
I usually let them both get evidence at the same time
Is that a brick?
If you
I
want
wouldn't
to.
because therefore they can like
Yeah, it's a brick.
sometimes they can steal
Yeah,
like for
sometimes they can
example the
buy it.
forensics report. So
Yeah.
to make it fair, I like to make them like both get it at the same time, so it's kind of like a fight for it. Again, you can use different papers and say, as long as you say to the judge that it is this,
Is that a
and
fucking
instead,
brick?
like you could pull
Let the
like
performance guy
pull out a
back
bill
up,
of rights and say it's a
that
forensics
motherfucker.
report or something like that.
Yeah, you could do that.
As long as it's
I
like
wouldn't really
signed
say
and stuff
that.
like that.
What paper?
I wouldn't
Yeah, as long as it's
recommend
green
that.
listed.
I mean, that's how we. Whatever you can.
Is this
You
the
can do
paper?
whatever,
Is this
but
the paper
like.
I'm supposed to share?
Yeah.
I would say fighting. For
Hey, if it's okay with you guys, can I wait until they bring up evidence and get mine?
Courtrooms flow. Let's say
It's just more easier for me to understand.
They were going to get this piece of evidence, then the defense grabs that piece of evidence. They can't proceed their case without that
culture.
piece. Would be unfair.
Culture.
That's a far.
Culture.
Your Honor, these prosecutors are unaware of the specific proceedings of the forensic courts. If you could kindly explain how exactly we're supposed to
Why
obtain
does he have
those
a brick in his hand?
legitimately
Why the fuck
and
does he have a
without,
brick in his hand?
just waving around a piece of paper.
Ain't that kind of cheating? Telling them how to do something? Hey, I don't know if you understand it, Mr. Prosecutor, but I'm pretty sure in the description of the game, this is improv, so you just gotta make it up as long as you go.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it. I'm
Yes,
glad
sir.
that was explained to me.
No
Thank
pictures,
you,
people,
Mr.
please.
Coulter.
No pictures.
You're welcome, Mr. Kai.
Yeah, no pictures.
My judge.
No pictures, no camera, no pictures.
If I do have...
I'm sorry, did I see no pictures, no cameras?
Your Honor.
Who's taking pictures?
Your Honorable Judge.
I know, that's what I'm
111?
telling them to get the pictures out of here.
I'm gonna go see.
Your Honor.
Oh, sending pictures, oh.
Yeah, go for it.
Quick.
I'm in fucking jail.
That chicken good, Gavin?
First off, take this back.
Oh.
I got a good picture.
If I may, if I get a one-time pass to speak on behalf for the prosecution in case one piece of evidence on their behalf as well, there's a possibility for behalf and be brought in.
When you're not next to
Culture.
me.
Culture.
Prosecution.
Culture.
Yeah.
So if I may,
I'm trying to get you see.
Okay.
Culture.
do I have permission?
Culture.
Thank you, Your Honorable Judge.
When you're not next to me.
Culture.
Okay. Do you have all your evidence?
We have Exhibit 1A of our evidence currently prepared. If it pleases the court to present it.
Yes.
Remove this.
You may.
If the bailiff would like to hold the piece of evidence himself and pass it on to the judge, that would be
interesting.
Very much appreciated.
What rotation?
Mr. Rover, what's going on? Sorry.
Bailiff, did you go get the piece of evidence?
Honorable blood rotation?
Yeah. I want good content.
The honorable blood rotation.
Thank you. What's the brick for?
Your Honor, if I may.
Cool kid
On the counts of burglary and trespassing, at the scene of the crime, there was a broken window smashed inwards towards the house with a brick found at the scene. That is the brick you are holding there.
Hold on, how would you know if it was inwards?
Guys, really?
Imagine this, if you will.
Because it was inside. I'm sorry, my bad.
Yeah, but you can't. Okay.
Yeah.
A man walking up to a house with the intention of making.
Bro, I was let it.
No.
No, the court was not
my
open.
client. My boy, Jeffrey Epstein, did not rape those kids.
What the fuck?
He is innocent. He is innocent. He is innocent.
He's innocent.
So we don't do that here. I just want you to.
He's innocent, bitch. He's innocent. He's innocent.
Jessica, please, no essay. Thank you. Thank you, Kimball.
Your Honor, if we may
Thank you
for a sec,
Bro.
just so I can. Or me one.
Oh, this was used to smash the.
I've been permanently banned.
Yes, Your Honor. If you would imagine, if it pleases the court, a simple man walking down the side of a neighborhood, down the sidewalk of that neighborhood, coming upon a very nice house.
I killed
And he
someone
sees
after
through the
breaking
window
into their house.
multiple pieces of divine furniture that are just absolutely immaculate to this man's eye.
What'd you do?
And he decides for himself
Why
to
are you
make
in
a very
jail?
quick and easy profit by smashing a window and climbing in himself.
Proof.
Proof? Yeah, where's the proof?
The smashed window.
Yeah, but how would you be able to tell if it was smashed inward?
Now, if you would bring out Exhibit 2A.
Exhibit B, please.
Fuck, there's a fucking
I'm gonna.
What in the world?
Pour.
Question, Judge, Your Honor, sorry.
Yes.
I thought they had to get other evidence out first, then get, presented. So I feel like if they just go on back and forth, they can just,
stages, that way it's easy to introduce to yourself.
Yeah.
If that pleases the court. However, we do have both pieces here, if you hand it to me.
Yeah. So, Your Honor, don't that kind of just like defeat the...
Just place it on the table.
Don't that like defeat the purpose of like just having the evidence already ready, then presenting it one by one? I'm saying like get all your evidence on the desk, then present it to the
Hey, they're
judge.
fine, okay?
Your Honor, this knife found with the victim's blood on the blade.
Come here.
Now, you may be asking, what charge does that bring? We believe, as the prosecutors, that is first degree and unplanned murder on behalf of the defendant. Now, you may be asking, how exactly do we know that the defendant himself is the murderer? On this, I will hand it to you directly because the bailiff seems distracted. On the hilt of the handle, you'll see white prints that happen to match the defendant's fingerprints.
White?
Yeah,
Almost immaculately.
Come here, are you see your fingerprints? Are you see your fingerprints, sir?
My prints are blocks!
He's in jail cell.
Yeah, sorry.
I don't think he has fingers.
I don't have fingers!
prove that he's innocent.
I don't have fingers!
Just making it
You can see two very red stub fingerprints on that hilt of the handle.
I do! I do!
Somebody.
Now, I may ask you, of all the citizens in this courtroom, do you see a single one with red hands the way that the defendant does?
I do not!
I think not, Your Honor. Yes.
Oh shit.
We have presented our pieces of evidence of trespassing, burglary, and first-degree murder.
Hold on, wait.
The murder of an innocent victim who had their belongings stolen from them.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I ask Your Honor, please make a correct decision, because this case not only affects the victim's family, but the families of every civilian in this court. Thank you for the court's time. I recede my time. Thank you.
I'm mocking them.
Culture, would you like to make an opening statement? Cross-examination. Sorry.
Culture.
I'd like to present my opening statement, then cross-examine if that's fine.
Culture.
Your Honor,
wait,
if
you
I
already did
may,
your opening statement.
Mr. Culture
Yeah, I
happened
didn't do my
to
opening
deny
statement.
his own
That's why I
opening
sent you my
statement.
opening statement first,
when
then
we
cross-examine.
Oh yeah.
No,
Culture.
You're
Culture.
guilty.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm asking. Can I present my opening statement now, then cross-examine?
Yeah, he's doing his open.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Culture.
sure.
Culture.
Yeah,
Culture.
Go ahead, dude.
Culture.
Okay.
Oh my
Hello, Your Honor. Opposing counsel,
Unnecessarily,
people of the
he's
jury.
also
My name is
not
CC
saying
Culture,
that
also known as
Unfair.
Detective,
Yeah.
and the anime and manga document itself, Your Honor. Today, I'm defending my client, Mr. Renter, Your Honor, and he pleads not guilty to all the allegations that the prosecution is pointing at him for, Your Honor. I'll be shown and presenting without a shadow of doubt that my client
Wait, is this the dude that killed somebody?
and everything
No
that the
clue what you're talking
prosecution said
about.
towards my
It's
client
in the
is
case
absolute bogus. It's
I thought it was that
false.
dude.
It's not true. It is deception.
I wasn't paying
Deceiving.
attention.
It's a lie. It is not real. It's imagination, Your Honor.
That dude
You have
killed
to.
him. Whatever it was.
With that being said, Your Honor, may I
hold the pieces
cross-examine
of
the
evidence in the
prosecution's
courtroom
evidence?
kind of thing, you know?
Yes, you may.
Kind of being a dick about it, yeah.
Alright. Now, before I start in my
was there
start
too.
explaining
I was in the
why
crib sleeping.
or how this is wrong or why or
Hey,
how
let
is
me
it
in. I'm a
relevant to
witness
the
for
case,
y'all. Come
I have a
on.
few questions, Your Honor. Number
Let
one,
me in. Let me in.
the prosecution stated in their opening statement that there's
I'm
three
gonna need you
charges.
to. I'm gonna need you to.
First degree
stop.
murder, trespassing, and breaking and entering, Your Honor.
Okay,
Sorry, objection, Your Honor. We stated burglary, not breaking and entering. We
I'm
consider
sorry,
that,
burglary.
the state considers that part of
Now,
trespassing.
Your Honor, I do have another question with, or not another question, I guess I was just
Oh,
stating.
hold on.
A
Can
question
everybody
of-
I Pollo, sit down. Pollo.
Everybody move except for
Pollo, enter. No, get him out. Someone get him out.
Please get back out. Open the gate. Open the gate.
Respawn.
Don't kick him. Don't kick him. Just let him out. Let him out. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god.
As I was saying,
Okay, continue.
I listened pretty well, and if I did not misheard or didn't hear anything, I'm pretty sure the prosecution didn't state times of when my client allegedly broke into the victim's house or their client's house. 2, stated the time or the date of when this happened, and 3, didn't state where this happened. They just said the client's house. There's the client's house. You know,
That
is
is
it in Mexico?
true.
Is it in Russia? Is it in Japan? We don't know. We don't know the guy. Speaking of the guy, the prosecution didn't name the person that was killed unless it was under top
Objection,
secret,
Your Honor.
Whatever.
Can I go turn on colors?
Well, no, it's not objecting. I'm just
let me out
stating
for
a
a
question.
Your Honorable Judge, if I may,
Let me in.
What is it?
could I use my one-time use to help the prosecution here? It'll
Yes, you may.
be a short few words, if I may.
Do I get help too?
No.
It's not biased. I asked
Well, no, it is
preemptively if I
biased.
could. I motioned for
If you're helping them, that's called being
Alright.
motioned, and also I'm not
It's supposed
part
to
of
be unbiased, not
the
fair.
Shooting
I'm not
myself.
part of the, I am not a bail stand or a
Alright, guys.
so
Yeah, but you just said can help out the prosecution.
I preemptively stated that. I had said that.
Right. Just keep it.
There's a special place in
He
hell
has
for you.
permission. Keep it fair. I see what you're doing. That's pretty good. It's honorable. Alright.
For unbiased
Alright, if you do,
You're
you're going to also have
fucking
to
cage.
tell culture.
Let 114
Like, to help him a little bit as well. So, if you want. But except for 111, then please just to keep it fair. It's not really, like, just Anthony step back. I'm not trying to, like.
No, Mr. P. I didn't say it's
Oh,
to
you
make it fair,
ugly
I said to make it
bastard.
unbiased.
Okay. Oh,
See, here's
unbiased.
the thing about fair and unbiased.
No, Anthony. Get back out. Get out, Anthony.
didn't say.
Fair and biased, right? The definition of fair is, let's say, if there's a fence, right, and 2 people are trying to seal the fence. One is 6 foot.
I know he's fat, but chill.
And the fence is 4
Hey,
feet
I'm not
tall,
fat.
right?
I'm just big
You
boned.
fat as hell.
Hey, so it's all muscle. It's all muscle.
That is not muscle. That is fat. That is lard.
It's muscle, I swear to God.
Fat, lard piece of shit.
He's going to turn
You look like
What'd you call me?
King Shark
I'm gonna
with
go to that
skin.
cage again.
But if you get the
You look
guy
like
who's
King
call me?
Shark with
shorter,
skin. Ew! You fat fuck! You ugly
Yeah.
son of a bitch!
Yeah, shut up. I can reach across you.
Kill it!
fair.
Fucking kill it!
Yeah.
Thank you.
Exactly.
That's
It's like
fucked
saying
He's a
you're saying
convicted
not
felon.
to
I'm allowed to do
and
this.
There's 2 slices of pizza left. I can either give it to you
Oh,
or
you're
give it
lucky
to
you
me.
can't touch
I think
me.
you should get it because
Oh,
it's only fair
I'm
because
lucky you can't touch me.
Oh, you want to try
Ugly
that?
bastard.
But
That's why
it'll
we
be
are
unbiased if you get one.
I just gotta go bigger.
No.
So a lot of people
No.
I'm so sorry.
Kill it!
Pizza.
Knife size down
Piece
for
of
one.
pizza.
Please
That's
size
the
down. That is.
piece, correct?
No, that's
Put that shit down before I can see your ass in front of my face.
Hey,
Damn.
God damn.
I'm fisting him right now.
Kick him. Kick him. Just kick him. Just kick him, please.
So that's a bad example. I've been
down. It's the court rules. Please size down.
I'm a lawyer.
Who's
trying to kick me, bro?
No. Come over here. Come over here. Knife. Come over here.
If I eat the last 2 slices of pizza, would it not?
Okay.
Did you already ate a whole
Why
box?
do I keep calling it
That'd be fair.
No.
But if you ate the last 2
You just have to change
the
it.
last 2 slices of pizza, that
dragging
was
Fine. Look at him. Look at him.
I have to?
unbiased.
Look at him.
You bought the pizza, so therefore you deserve to eat the last.
Can it be something equally as bad or worse?
You look handsome. Look. Look at my eyes.
Not fair means.
Okay, I'll choose something a little better. This is a little better. This is a little better. It's not a problem.
Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, this is better.
Hold up. Stay there. Hold up.
Why that?
This is better than a lot.
Also, as to
Is my avatar fine?
Unbiased court cases.
Yeah, your avatar's fine.
I've already previously stated and or had motioned if I could or could not help the
You had the same thing
once
too?
throughout the court case.
No, I
That
got
is
a
not
deal.
why I've asked.
Right,
I
about that motion, I say,
accepted.
yeah, that's being completely biased.
I must have allowed Avatar tonight.
Okay.
Yourself to get
Alright,
help.
If you need help, we will get you one piece of help.
Yeah, guys.
Yes, please.
I'd just say.
Well, it's off now, so.
Dog. Oh my.
Jawline.
You dog. I'm just saying dog. Like,
Honestly, Jawline? Hold up.
Okay.
I got that one guy from the
If
workshop.
you need help,
You can touch him. You can touch him.
Option for us to would
I got, like,
bring in
hyper-pixelated
as
muscles
help
now.
for the prosecution. That is something that you can do. And
I'm ready.
it is. You can.
We'll touch him.
You can bring in other people to help. So if I may, I can simply ask prosecution.
Okay, we'll touch him. I'm gonna touch him. I'm gonna touch you, stupid convicted felon.
For the prosecution, and it will be up to the judge to accept that or not.
Are you in the cage? He's in the cage because he's weird.
I continue, Your Honor.
It is not
He
argued.
probably touched a minor, that's why he's here. Mr. Ray.
Yo.
Yeah, he's admitting it.
Love to get.
I mean, I'd admit it too. Like, you know.
When this happened,
Yeah.
We can
When
probably
this
get
happened,
evidence
they
from
also
while they're
didn't-
arguing.
Hey,
how the victim died. They also didn't give out the name of the victim unless it was like classified under legal documentation or whatever.
Watch.
I just didn't bring out.
His name was
report
John.
Showing any fingerprints relating towards my client without a professional forensic scientist or doctor, whatever you guys call it, to do a closely examination of the knife. Also, there's no forensics reports done on the brick showing any fingerprints correlating to my client. Also, there's a crime scene to show how the prosecution retrieved, or how anybody retrieved the knife or the brick from
What's considered
victim's house, or
that's
I'm assuming it's the victim's house.
Hold my hands up to the side in preparation.
God.
Oh yeah.
Hold up, Your Honor,
I'm
give me a
ready.
second, please.
Hey, you know what's crazy though? I can just like suck in my waist.
I don't even know. Wait, can I get it? Where's Kimball? Kimball.
Oh shoot, bro's got blue and red.
Take a minute.
Kimball, I think.
What's up?
Autism chat. I think we all.
Kimball
got-
left.
Evidence? Wait, no.
Okay, I'm back. Where was I?
I got
Oh,
the.
you were like,
freaking- I
did
got the grill
I'm sorry,
master.
hold up. I need like
Something.
30 seconds real quick.
I'm sorry, I don't want to interrupt you. It's just that Kimball's getting back. I don't want to interrupt
Avatar?
you.
Key-
Also,
Kimball,
now you
Kimball, will you can come in?
Kimball,
No, wait, I gotta put on the turban and the cape.
Anthony, back away.
Gotta go to
Kimball,
orange,
you can
gotta go
enter.
orange.
Thank you. Oh, 111, do you want out? You did. You want out? 111?
Turn off the aura, gang.
You do want out? Or no?
I should be.
Your Honorable
I
Judge,
hate black men.
since technically I will be staying on the defense where they brought me in as somebody to help them out, I would like to take the case and help them out.
The orange.
They call
I
me
get
in.
it. What's going on doing here?
They have the same permissions as I do to call in for
Oh, I got one of those too, except the better one.
or they could use the Fifth Amendment rights if permitted.
I got the better
to
one.
be convicted to speak for themselves. I think it's either 5th or 6th.
There's no Fifth Amendment.
The Fifth Amendment is
Your Honor,
the right to
because
not
the
speak.
defense is taking
Yeah.
a disproportional amount of time away
No,
from the
I'm
court
back. I'm
itself.
sorry.
I would like for us
I
to
just said I'm
continue our
back.
case.
Okay.
And
Kai,
you're wasting time. I'm back.
Kai, shut up, shut up.
They're back. They're back.
You're wasting time. I'm back. Yo, who is doing that?
Hey, Rover, turn that off. That
Don't
avatar.
worry about it.
Hey,
You
culture,
know,
culture,
I'm
culture,
back.
culture.
Wait, Rover,
Just
you don't have
stop.
to
Wait,
culture.
Rover.
Just don't do it. Just don't do it. You don't have to
Default.
change avatars. You don't have to.
Culture.
Don't do this.
Don't do it.
All that good stuff. Okay.
Culture.
Oh shit, I forgot I can float.
Alright, well, with all that being said, Your Honor, I'll just take off the knife and the brick wherever they went for like a foundation.
Culture.
I guess it plays no. I guess it is. Well, yeah, it is relevant because you guys see how the guy
float,
died.
gang.
But there's no autopsy showing.
do this too.
Oh no,
Culture.
yeah, and also lack of
know if you
evidence.
are
Yeah.
Can you see this? Can you see
Yes.
this?
Oh wait,
I'm floating,
did we
gang.
already go through
Stop
every
stripping
one
off.
in your property?
Oh my god.
Yeah, you
Okay,
did.
now my cross-examination.
Mine's longer.
So yes, that was stricken
You
off.
can't do that.
Yes.
Oh, you said
Okay.
Culture.
Now, before I present my evidence,
Fine, okay.
I would like to
go
make
big.
another motion, Your Honor.
Just.
Like to motion for
Never mind.
early dismissal or a mistrial for the lack of evidence that the prosecution presented to show that my client is guilty for these allegations.
Your Honorable Judge, I would be unfair if I
Wait,
simply just got
wait, I forgot I can touch
Culture.
the
case, or in this case,
Well,
that would be
you're
unfair
not the
trial in
prosecution,
this
it's just like
case.
the little hoper, like you said.
Motherfucker.
So this really applies to Kai and.
No, they actually brought me in as
You
prosecution
don't touch
as
this
I
guy from
previously
across the
stated.
courtroom.
You said what?
Brought me in. They brought me in as prosecution to actually
Culture!
I'm official prosecution.
Another prosecutor to help on
This
prosecution.
motherfucker.
Fucking Kool-Aid
It
man
is
looking
legal
ass.
in the
Look
court
this
of
way.
law, so henceforth
No,
you
no,
can't
it's just
decide
happened
that
now.
the
I
judge
don't need
allows it.
explanation.
Oh, it's the guy in the
We
cage.
can't
The
another
guy in the cage
prosecutor about the
can't look.
prosecution.
Let's try to go in front of him.
Can you get culture?
This is the court.
Actually, once he's done, tell him to come
Mr.
here.
Anthony Jones,
He cannot hear.
911,
You don't say.
I believe wishes to help
I'm looking
the
this way.
defense.
If it pleases Mr. Culture, gets him off the floor because he's wasting time.
Thank you.
How about cross-examination? Before I answer your question, can you answer mine first? Is actually first, and it's only
Gotta
correct.
find the good
It's
ones.
only
What was your
not
question?
before you can answer my question. I asked, can we have an early dismissal or a mistrial for lack of evidence the prosecution presented? Now, hold up, before you answer
Shut
that,
up,
just to be
convicted
sure,
felon.
are you the new prosecution, or are you just helping them?
He is an assistant prosecutor, an
Rate
outside
these
prosecutor we
characters.
brought in
Okay,
to
so
help.
Look at me. Rate these characters.
Gotcha.
I can't see your avatar.
Okay.
Alright,
Please. Why don't we let him?
Throw me to the wall.
It's funny, but
This is my newest one.
did you hear the? It's the rules. It's the yeah. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay.
It was black.
one.
I don't know. This is a hard decision.
Okay, so let me put it in simple terms, if I'm correct.
The
Rain or
racist.
Kai,
Racist.
correct me if
I'm
I'm
only
wrong.
racist. I'm only
Say
racist.
that one more
Oh,
time. The opening statement,
Only on
the
Wednesdays.
evidence was in my opening statement. Now, cross-examination. Let's rock
Only
off
on
their
Wednesdays,
evidence.
am I right?
Now, before
That's
I
my
did
chunky
so,
brother
Mr.
over there.
Rain over here had wanted to assist the
Fuck.
My chunky
prosecution.
brother.
He's not the new prosecution.
God
he's the
damn.
helper. If it's the new prosecution, it's a
Shit.
whole different story. But since he's not, everything is still
That's my
in play.
brother over there.
Everything
That's my
is
brother
still,
over there. Look.
God damn.
unbiased.
Shit.
I guess fair.
Son of a bitch.
That's very
leading
low.
towards
Hey, you can't do
the
this.
evidence and all that. So,
Can't do
that's
the
what you
lazy
do your
walk,
job, but you do know the early dismissal,
Hold
right?
on, give me a
Or
second.
It's not
trial.
loading yet.
Anyway, boy, can you please stop?
You're at like 11%.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Your Honor.
Marcellus
I
is
will
basically
stop
saying
this
either the
instant.
prosecution or
Yes, Your Honor, I
guess
was at
it's
that
not
preschool
really-
at that time.
This prosecution, if they don't have enough evidence to prove that my client's
who's
guilty,
that?
because their job is to prove that my client is guilty without a shadow of doubt. And there is a lot of doubt from the prosecution showing evidence that they're guilty. Like it says it right there. Insolent until proven guilty.
God damn.
I think I'm supposed to say innocent,
Go little
but
big,
Tracy
guys.
messed
Gotta go
up.
little big.
Insolent.
I
So
don't think
therefore,
there's
the
any
legal
reason to
justice
believe.
system, or wherever you guys are from, the legal
Insolent.
justice system is in my favor right now.
I'm not sure there's
That's
any
the lack of evidence.
way to
The
prove that they're guilty.
dismissal is just saying that the you say what?
I'm not sure there's any way to prove that
Objection, Your Honor.
they're guilty.
Which
Was there
proves that
objection?
I'm innocent.
Actually, Your Honor, Judge, I'd like to go ahead and say this again. I've already previously stated it would be unfair trial to drop it now, but also as to a plus. Okay, you know what? How about we do this instead? We do this. I actually not like to have this early dismissal and go on to closing statements.
What?
Just closing statements, so we can
Your Honor,
get all the
I'll
work
tell
out.
Would you be okay with the closing
Why
statement?
are we trying to continue the case? There is no evidence to. Your Honor, why are we
Your
gonna
Honor,
move on when
objection.
there's a
We
conjunction?
presented
No,
multiple
hey,
pieces of
I'm
evidence
rebuttaling.
that
Yeah, but they
had
already did it.
verified
I'm done
proof.
with my rebuttalement.
Alright, alright.
As I was
One
saying,
person at a
Your
time,
Honor,
please.
how could we possibly
And then you
move
may talk.
on if there's a conjunction or a misfit
Mr.
in the
Culture
previous
has
proceedings of the
interjected
court, Your Honor?
in our statements
How can we
multiple
go
times.
into closing
I find it
statements
unfair both to the
if evidence
prosecution
phase
and
is
to the
not even
court
through, Your Honor?
that he has been
That's like
allowed
saying,
to speak
I'm
for one this
16
long
and I'm going to turn
and been
33
defamatory
tomorrow.
towards the state's prosecution this often.
Prosecution.
No,
I can't hear him at all. I need everybody to be quiet. I can't hear him at all. Can you restart that,
This
please?
is what I'm talking about, bro.
I know.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
allowed to speak.
I'm just trying to keep it
Until-
real. I'm kind of talking to Kai right now. That's my bad. You know, I'm
Tell
just trying
Cold to
to,
stop.
make sure this is not currently interrupting you. I'm sorry. Kai.
So, hold on.
Can you say that again?
So, prosecution, you have no evidence left, right? He cross-examined all of it.
Yes, but we do still have the closing statements, and/or I would like to put in my input for evidence of consideration that it would be unfair trial because I have not said a single thing, and they have brought me
Don't
in
worry,
as prosecution
fellow.
to help. Again,
Oh, wait,
unfair
Clay
trial
has
to not let me say
effects?
anything.
And as I was
This
saying
one does.
earlier, Mr. Kimberly, I said we
Yours
cannot move on
has
to closing
actual
statements
attacks, like
until
swinging and
all the proceedings before closing statements
Mine
are
doesn't.
full,
Yeah, see?
successful, or whatever you guys want to call it. It's like saying I'm 16 and I'm turning 33 tomorrow. That's impossible. I have to go through every age to get there. It's like I have to go through opening statements, evidence phase, cross-examination, which is not even a real thing. Someone made it up. Then closing statements. Then the jury's verdict, or in this
Then
case,
with
would be
cross-examination, we haven't had a chance to cross-examine. Only you've had a chance to cross-examine.
Well, yeah, that's because I didn't bring up my opening statement, or not my opening statement. Sorry, my evidence. You guys don't cross-examine until I bring up evidence.
No matter what, if he crosses out all of your evidence, he can count it as a mistrial because of lack of evidence.
That's what I'm asking.
We may, but we can also object to the things he said to argue why pieces of evidence would still be relevant. Something I have not gotten the chance to do. Or prosecution as a whole.
Okay, well, that's why I didn't strike it off for relevance. I said I struck it off for a lack of evidence, and then I struck it off for a lack of foundation.
What can I do?
I said it was still relevant because you guys presented it in your opening statement.
Just turn up my pop-ups everywhere.
If you didn't hear that part. And the judge approved of it. So, once again, Your Honor, motioning for a mistrial or early verdict of a not guilty.
Hold on, give me a second.
Decision
Thank
of a
you.
not guilty verdict.
Culture. Culture.
Yeah, I come back in.
Tell Culture to come over here.
Yeah, let AV in.
Innocent until proven guilty.
I had to take a shower.
Not
So,
proven
is
guilty.
that a yes, Your Honor, or is that a no? Maybe so, 3 in a row.
Mistrial.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I wanted. Now, Winter.
Court has ended.
Let me plug my thing in.
Am I a
Good
free
game,
man?
prosecution.
Am I a
did I
free
plug it in?
man?
Winter
I honestly would have kept on going because
is non-guilty.
Winter, I told you I was gonna fight for you, just like I fought.
If we may,
Hey,
I would
listen, you want
actually
something
like
funny,
to
Kimberly?
have this
I
case
fought-
proceeded
Kimberly.
at a further date, if we may. As for consideration, this was an
Here's the
unfair
On a
trial.
further day, we
Still.
can do it.
Ironic, or
Yes, we
here's
can
the
continue it
So we
ironic
can
further.
further
or the
redo the
irony in this
case.
case. I fought so hard to get Winter inside of the jail because I wanted to client. Then I didn't really fight hard, but then I fought again to get him out the jail cell.
Yeah, you did a good
Ain't that
job.
funny, guys?
I just like to say that
Yeah, you
the
did a good
actual
job.
No, it
Culture
wasn't
is
even
the
that. It's just the prosecution didn't have really good evidence.
best defendant.
Yeah, that's true.
Your Honorable
Don't
Judge,
you
You
got you,
did a
dog.
good job.
No, where's my thing?
let's have this case proceeded
It is.
either tonight or at a further date. Have this redone. Have me in as the
Okay.
prosecution.
We will.
As for this is an unfair
Here, let me
trial.
find you.
Nicholas, can I come in?
You can all agree it was an
So,
unfair
do y'all
trial
wanna-
too.
Yes, you can come in, O'Valiant. Everybody
Okay,
except
you
for
can call
O'Valiant,
it
sit down.
unfair or whatever,
It
but
was
that's not
unfair.
how court works.
No,
That's
O'Valiant.
what I just said. You can call it unfair, but
No.
that's not how court works.
Okay.
Unbiased.
Okay.
Admins. Admin.
Leave, I guess.
Okay, yeah. Admin, sit down
Yeah,
real
he
quick.
Anime boy. You
Anybody
what's
that's
that
not an
difference?
admin, I'm gonna ask you to
Anthony,
respawn.
Sit down.
Come on, Winter. Let's take our fate. We'll take the win.
You guys go respawn.
Drop us.
Okay, do you guys wanna get dropped?
Yeah,
Yeah,
actually,
I'll make a
Culture.
cool exit.
Okay, here we go.
Culture.
You gotta get out.
Yeah.
You failed to mention that they talked about how the window was broken inwards, like going in. That's not possible.
Kimball, yeah.
With the
Kimball
brick.
couldn't sit down.
That's
so
not
he's gonna
that's
do
not
the
possible.
fucking-
You could always just
Wait, no, I think he was.
Mutually agree to have the case.
Wait.
you could always just fake a crime scene by putting glass
Correct.
in the
Winter, will you respawn?
in, but
Will you respawn?
I guess you're right. Yeah.
hold on, they're talking. They're
Good
saying,
dog.
Give me a second.
What happened to culture?
If he want,
Why is somebody saying winter respawn?
What? Me?
Because, we're resetting the court.
Come.
Here, Kimball. Everybody
Your
except for
Honorable
Kimball,
Judge.
back up. Everybody except for Poeo and
You did
Come in here.
amazing. You did amazing. I'm coming in here.
Your Honor.
Kimball and Poeo, you
Yes.
can come in.
Dog, I'm gonna be 100% with you. I was even trying. I was just trying to make them mad. Then that rain guy came in. I kind of got scared. I said, yeah, no, I gotta end this before he tried to do something smart or whatever. My only goal to join, the reason why I joined, I even know that she was in here for real. The reason why I joined, I said, okay, let's see. I'm gonna act dumb, and I'm just gonna try to make the moderators mad. But then it worked so well that you got one of the moderators, which is Mr. P. Piolo or whatever, on my side. I said, oh, this is gonna be fun.
This is perfect.
Winter, please respawn.
Yeah, that's what I do. Not just
What do
trolling
you
the
mean
channel.
winter respawn? I'm not in there.
Yes, you
Yeah, I think they're buddy.
No, I'm not.
Then why are you sitting right there?
They can't hear you, dog.
That's not me.
Then who are you?
I'm literally
Can they
talking
hear
with
you?
culture in a different part. Wait, can they hear me?
The world and peek
Oh
your
shoot!
head out
Wait,
the world.
wait.
I need you to peek your head outside.
Hold on.
Uh
Uh
That's
oh.
cool, kid. That's cool, kid. That's my avatar. But that's not me. That's doing that.
Okay. What is his name?
What's outside the world? Do you need some help, guys?
Somebody made it to where if you peek your head outside the world, you can see. Oh, never mind. It's gone now. Who the fuck?
It's gone.
Where is it now?
I'm not seeing.
So,
Yeah, nothing's
I
out
say
there. I
that
don't
two
see
anime
anything.
boy in.
Kai, just say
Sit.
whatever you want. Okay, Winter, why are you doing?
We let people in.
Okay,
if
listen.
they're sitting down,
Sit down.
and being patient,
Listen.
not standing
I know.
there.
Where do you see me?
I see you right there, Winter.
Literally, I'm not.
anti-cheat error?
Literally,
Or
I'm
is
not
that
over
just
there.
me?
I'm
You guys see
literally
Winter
over.
right there?
It's just there. I think it's a sticker or something.
Right there.
I see Winter right there.
I'm literally
On top
over
of the
by
building-
Kai
on top of the
underscore
desk.
River 06.
No,
That's
kind
kinda crazy.
I have been discontinued
Well,
VR chat.
I am
I
probably
see Winter right there.
Okay, well, it looks like that you're experiencing a glitch.
Nicholas.
Yeah, what?
How do I get rid of that?
It was a absolute pleasure having you as the honorable judge, even if I did not agree with certain things. It still was a great trial, and it was still a respectable trial, and I will say that.
Thank you.
Alright. I
It was a
have
good
no
trial.
beef with anybody.
Tomorrow, I'm pretty sure Star is going to be on, so we can actually
Yeah.
have a proper court case and we can consent.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So basically, I wanted to troll today,
I'll be online.
right? And I wanted to join a group instance and just like see how fast I can get kicked out. And apparently that worked, but also didn't work. So I was like trying to act stupid and dumb and pretend like I've never been here before. Or I said, hey guys, can someone like tell me like how law works and all that good stuff, and I don't know what I'm doing and all that, right? And I was trying to be like one of those uptight people that says, oh guys, the rule says this, but you're actually breaking the rule, and I try to use their own words against them, but I couldn't find it. So I found a mod, which is Mr. P or Piolo. He was actually on my side the whole time, as other moderator wasn't, and in my head I was just laughing. It was so
I'm
funny.
saying it over there.
And I was like, did the mod.
I'm saying it where Winter is.
So, I will leave,
Winter, where the
but
hell is
I
Winter?
did respect the court case. It was fun. Somewhat. I had my chances. I do respect you, honorable judge. It was a good case. It was a well-built case, at the least. And
Alright.
I don't really know how to pronounce your name, so I'm just gonna call you Kim.
Just say it. No.
Been kicked from the instance. For what purpose? For what purpose? What the fuck did I do? Oh, nah. This is This is the second fucking time. Okay, that time I'll admit maybe it was the skybox. Maybe it was the skybox. But I didn't even have the skybox up at that time. Which, okay, the little intro thing I have where it drops my anti-cheat error. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, but hold on. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Apocalypse avatars? Alright, buddy. That's crazy. I don't think anybody cares, honestly. But that's fucking retarded. He's just so fine, I want to get him pregnant. Go fuck yourself. Hey, request. Go fuck with him. Whoa. Hey, motherfucker. You're not cool kid. I'm cool kid. Retard. Huh. Monkeys nowadays. Get. Alright, motherfucker. Let's go. Let's join Let's see if I can be Cool Kid here. I'm gonna end this video here, actually. I'm gonna just title it Cool Kid. Cool Kid gets arrested and fucking wins the trial.